Alright, so welcome to the first Amazon vlog. So I don't really have anything planned right now because I shipped out all the product that I needed to get out to Amazon. But I guess this video is just going to be a little tour of the little workspace that... Yeah, it's going to be a little tour of the workspace that I used to get 100K in sales on Amazon that I'm going to do. So let's take a tour. I actually got to do one merchant fulfilled order today, but I'll do that later. I'm just going to show you a little tour of the workspace. Alright, so here's a tour of the little 100K workspace. So here's some dead inventory. If you ever see this, do not buy this because Amazon hogs the buy box 100% on this product. But here I have my little scale. I got my little tape thingy. Got some bubble wrap for fragile products, some stuff for merchant orders, and some saran wrap. Got my dymos. And I'm gonna go over here. Hopefully I didn't show a merchant fulfilled product that I sell. Here's my boxes. And that's basically it. It's everything I need to make FBA orders. So I'm gonna go ahead and work on this merchant fulfilled product right now. I'm gonna go ahead and talk about what the future of my channel is gonna be about now, cause I'm kind of really tired of doing the Facebook dropshipping stuff, cause I'm tired of dealing with the customers. I mean, I know that customer service is a part of like e-commerce, but like there's some shady people on Facebook. Like there's one person who ordered like $300 and $350, I think it's like around $300 to $350 worth of like lights. And what they did was they waited till I shipped it, and when it got delivered, they contacted their card provider or whatever and said that like somebody used their card to buy lights, and Facebook just refunded them because, you know, they have that Facebook protection stuff. And like, I mean, I have like 300 freaking reviews on my Facebook profile. Like, it shows that I'm trusted. I got like a 4.7 rating. Facebook just refunded them. They said that it'll take like 90 days for them to figure out when I'm gonna get that money back if it goes in my favor. It's been like more than 90 days. So I'm kind of done with that. I don't want to really deal with that. And I think Amazon is kind of more, it's kind of more like, I mean, there's still some shady customers on Amazon, but Facebook is even more shadier. So I don't really want to deal with that. And it's kind of more secure because like with Facebook, you have to keep listing over and over, and sometimes you don't really know that product's gonna sell. With Amazon, it's kind of more easier. You have Keepa, you have like a higher chance of knowing that like this might sell if you do your research correctly. So that's another reason. It's more secure. And basically, I'm kind of running out of ideas with drop shipping on Facebook. There's not really much to like make videos about that unless there's like some problems and stuff, but I don't really want to do that. What did I say? Shady customers. It's more secure. Yeah. Basically, so the future of this channel is going to be more about like vloggy style vloggy style online arbitrage. I don't recommend drop shipping on Amazon. I mean, it still works, but I don't recommend doing it if you want to be in it for the long term. If you want to drop ship, go to Facebook. It's more safer there. You just gotta deal with some shady customers. But yeah, I don't know. I think most of my subscribers came from Facebook drop shipping, so content about that might die down a little bit. I mean, I may visit it later, but most of the content on this channel is probably gonna be about Amazon now, online arbitrage. So yeah, so that's the future of my channel. So thank you for watching this far if you made it to the end of this video. Peace out. I'll see you in the next vlog, which will probably be in a few days because I have no products to ship out. And I sent out all my, I sent all my products, so peace. See you in the next video. Subscribe, like the video.